Name one branch or part of the government. Who makes federal laws? What are the two parts of the U.S. Congress? How many U.S. senators are there? We elect a U.S. senator for how many years? Who is one of your state's U.S. senators now? The House of Representatives has how many voting members? We elect a U.S. representative for how many years? Name your U.S. representative. Who does a U.S. senator represent? Why do some states have more representatives than others? If both the president and the vice president can no longer serve, who becomes president? What are the two major political parties in the United States? What is the name of the Speaker of the House of Representatives now? There are three branches of government. They are the Congress, the President, and the courts. Congress is also called the legislative branch, or the U.S. legislature. Congress makes federal laws. A federal law is a law for the whole country. There are two parts of Congress, the Senate and the House of Representatives. There are 100 senators in the United States Senate. There are 50 states in the United States, and each state has 2 senators. A U.S. senator represents all of the people in their state for 6 years. To find your current state senator, you can go to this website. The link is in the description. Click the state header to sort the states in alphabetical order. Scroll through the list to find the 2 senators for your state. For example, here are the 2 senators for the state of Florida. The House of Representatives has 435 voting members. Some states have more representatives than others because they have a higher population. They have more people who live there. California, for example, has a lot more people than North Dakota. So, California has 52 representatives throughout the state. North Dakota has a much smaller population than California and only has 1 representative for the whole state. A state representative represents part of a state for 2 years. These parts of a state that a representative represents are called districts. To find your state representative, you can go to this website. The link is in the description. Type your zip code in this field and click the red button. If there is more than 1 representative for your zip code, type your full address and check this box to say you are human. Then click the red button. The leader of the House of Representatives is called the Speaker of the House of Representatives. If the president can no longer serve, then the vice president becomes president. If the vice president can no longer serve, then the Speaker of the House becomes president. To find out who is the current Speaker of the House, go to the same website and click Leadership. The two major political parties in the United States are the Democrats and the Republicans. Name one branch or part of the government. Congress, the President, and the courts. Who makes federal laws? Congress, or the Senate and House of Representatives, or the U.S. legislature. What are the two parts of the U.S. Congress? The Senate and the House of Representatives. How many U.S. senators are there? 100. We elect a U.S. senator for how many years? 6. Who is one of your state's U.S. senators now? Use the link in the description to find your state's senators. The House of Representatives has how many voting members? 435. We elect a U.S. representative for how many years? 2. Name your U.S. representative. Use the link in the description to look up your U.S. representative. Use your zip code and your street address to find your representative. Who does a U.S. senator represent? All of the people in the state. Why do some states have more representatives than other states? Because of the state's population. Some states have more people who live there. If both the president and the vice president can no longer serve, who becomes president? The Speaker of the House. What are the two major political parties in the United States? Democratic and Republican. What is the name of the Speaker of the House of Representatives now? Use the link in the description to find the name of the current Speaker of the House of Representatives.